Lisbon's nightlife is not just about dancing and music, but it also offers a delightful blend of culture, cuisine, and excitement. If you're planning to visit the capital of Portugal, stay tuned because today I'll unveil the top 5 places to go out while in Lisbon. Before we begin, I'm curious to know what kind of travel videos you enjoy most. Feel free to let me know in the comments below so I can keep creating more content you love to watch. Number 5. Alfama. Known for its historic charm, breathtaking viewpoints, and enchanting Fado music, Alfama presents a nightlife experience that is both relaxed and intimate. This district showcases an array of intimate Fado houses, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the soulful melodies of traditional Portuguese music. Number 4. Cais do Sodré. Located along the riverfront in central Lisbon, Cais do Sodré is a waterfront district ideal for those seeking diverse nightlife options, including trendy bars, clubs, and gourmet experiences. Here, you'll find the renowned Pink Street, a popular destination for partygoers with numerous bars and clubs that create a lively atmosphere. Additionally, you can discover one of my favorite spots, the Time Out Market, a food and cultural hub created for food enthusiasts and those seeking a unique experience. This gastronomic paradise features diverse restaurants, bars, and shops, presenting an array of cuisines and local specialties. Number 3. Chiado. Renowned as a sophisticated and upscale district that appeals to those who appreciate high-end shopping, elegant theaters, and upscale dining, Chiado is the perfect starting point for your night out. Easily accessible by foot, it links seamlessly to other popular districts like Bairro Alto and Cais do Sodré. Visitors can expect to find beautiful squares, live performances, and hidden rooftops such as Carmo Rooftop, a personal favorite spot to relax after exploring the neighborhood. Number 2. Elix Factory. Located beneath the 25th of April Bridge in Alcantara, Elix Factory has undergone a remarkable transformation from an old industrial complex into a lively creative hub. Today, it's a vibrant area with boutiques and a diversity of delicious restaurants. There, you'll discover rooftops, health-conscious dining spots, and restaurants with outdoor seating, some of which even roll out the aperitivo from 3 p.m. This provides a perfect excuse to take a break after exploring the shops. Number 1. Bairro Alto. Located in the historic heart of Lisbon and easily reached on foot from various parts of the city, Bairro Alto is a lively district tailor-made for partygoers and young travelers. Renowned for its vibrant bars, clubs, and narrow streets filled with live music, here you'll find not only lively restaurants, but also intimate Fado houses, providing an opportunity to explore Lisbon's rich musical heritage before venturing out to the bars and clubs. As always, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and be sure to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my travel guides and adventures in Lisbon, as well as other exciting destinations. Keep on traveling, and I'll see you guys in the next video.